Every business is unique, so why settle for one-size-fits-all software? When you need a custom application, you don't have weeks to waste on repetitive coding, costly hiring, or endless back and forth with developers. Traditional app development is slow and expensive, from setting up the tech stack to integrating essential features. That's where FAB Studio changes the game. With FAB Studio, you can build fully custom applications in minutes, tailored exactly to your business needs. Here's how it works. Start your way. Pick a template, let AI build it, or start from scratch. Pick your tech stack. Choose from today's most popular frameworks. Describe your vision with AI assistance. Watch the magic. FAB Studio instantly generates your backend, frontend, and database. Customize in real time. Integrate third-party services effortlessly. From concept to launch, in minutes, not months. Your app, your way. Powered by FAB Studio. Start building today. Smarter, faster, better.